Well, clearly it's time for a lock update video. Let's get to it. Atreyu. So hey guys, it is my 3x11. 3 years and 11 months. Crazy that I'm almost at 4 years. I only have one more month and I hit my lock goal. Now at this point I don't know what I'm gonna do, so don't even ask. I still haven't decided. I want to savor the moment and cross that bridge when I get there. Trust me, you guys will be the first to know what I decide, considering my channel is all about locks. Speaking of, it is about locks, from lock care to lock repair and a few other things, and I'm all about positivity and unconditional love as well. So before we get started, before I show you my locks, can you please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so that you're notified, and hit the like button, because how can you not like this awesome tam that I made? And if you want to learn how to make this tam, check out my Atreyu crochet channel as well. It's my second channel. Alright, let's get to the locks. Alright, so yeah, not much has really occurred over the course of this month. Something I did notice is that because I keep my locks up in the tam satin bonnet combo a lot, they end up kind of crinkly. I still have yet to do the touche twist or to put my locks up in braids to achieve the actual real crinkly look. I've just been lazy. I used to do it all the time before I had locks on my loose natural hair, but yeah, this is kind of like quasi crinkly look from that. And you can just achieve it by stuffing all your locks, bunching them all together in a tam. So yeah, I haven't done much. I haven't washed, obviously. I have not retwisted, obviously. The only other thing that I did do was I found a little bottle. This was inspired by Mass 777 Naturals. Shout out to you, lady. I wanted to use a smaller bottle since I haven't been oiling as much, and definitely not nearly as much as I thought I would be, because considering it's been so hot. But yeah, I haven't needed to. So I found a smaller bottle to mix my sweet almond oil and rose water. Now you can see, even though I've been shaking it a little bit, that the majority of it is the rose water. And there's the sweet almond oil up top. So I like this little bottle because it just sprays kind of like a really fine mist. And I've been basically focusing it on my ends because this is always the driest part. So yeah, I just shake it up and spray. And look how light it is. It feels so good. So I did that once over the course of the month. That's it. I don't really have much to report, so that's it. Alright, let me just show you these. I'll get out of here. No need for me to hold you guys hostage, dilly-dallying. Alright, so the finale, the big deal, will be obviously in a month's time, so we will save all the celebration for them. But yeah, I'm at 3 years and 11 months, and I'm really proud of myself for having come this far and for having maintained my locks myself. So hopefully it will serve as an inspiration to you all. As always, please learn to love unconditionally, because loving with conditions the heart. Not really love at all. So Atreyu is out.